How to SFC scan Windows 11 full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to go to the Windows search bar and search for CMD, and then you have to click on run as administrator, or you can just right click on your mouse and click on run as administrator, and then you have to give yes, and you have to type SFC, then space, then slash scan now, and you just have to click on enter, and it will start beginning doing the SFC scan now. So this process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan, verification at 4% complete. So it will search for the whole computer if you got any virus and all, and it will automatically scan and fix them all. So that's it for this video. That's how you can scan SFC on your Windows 11. See you on the next video, guys.